Ito na mga ka-friendship ang ating binlend na juice. Very healthy At ngayon, gagawa naman ako ng another juice. Lemon water. Ito. Lemon water. Ang lemon water, maganda po yan. Yung sa mga may mataas na creatinine. Those who have high creatinine, lemon water is good. Detoxification, to cleanse our kidney. Yan. Lower down the cholesterol. And also, BP is good because lemon water is rich in vitamin C. Kung walang lemon water, calamansi, lime, whatever is available. Oh, don't bash me because this is clean. Yan. Just put up water. Then, you can drink it the whole day if you don't want the plain water. But this is effective. Lemon water is effective. Very effective, mga ka-friendship. It's good for have high blood, have sugar, to clean creatinine, our kidneys. It's herbal. But if you have maintenance, drink your maintenance. This is support only. What I'm telling you. And this is our juice for breakfast. Okay, mga ka-friendship?